We are going to be learning the array method for multiplying a mixed number by a mixed number. The first thing we need to do is we need to draw a square for our array. And we need to break up each number or decompose each number. 2 and 1/2 is 2 wholes in 1/2. 4 and 2/3 are four wholes in 2/3 of a whole. All right, now what we need to do is we need to multiply the two numbers that meet at each box. So 4 times 2 is 8. I'm just going to write that in there without writing the problem. Next, we have 2/3 meets 2 down here. So 2/3 times 2 wholes, which we know is equivalent to what fraction?
2/1.
Thank you. And what is 2 times 2?
4.
3 times 1?
3.
All right, let's start with the second column. 4 wholes times 1/2 is equal to what fraction? Eden.
4 and
1 times 2?
5.
All right, now we've got two fractions. 2/3 meets 1/2 at this box. So 2 times 1 is?
2.
3 times 2?
6.
All right, so the last step in solving this problem is taking each of the new numbers that we just made and adding them together. So we have 8 wholes. And when we add 8 wholes to 4 1/2, or 4 halves, I'm just going to combine those together right now. 4/3 into 6. What would our common denominator be if we have 2, 3, and 6? What would our common denominator be? Remember, 6. Okay, 6 times what is 6?
1.
And 2 times 1 is?
2.
3 times what number is 6?
2.
And 4 times 2 is?
8.
2 times what number is 6?
3.
And 4 times 3 is?
12.
All right, now we are adding the numerators. 2, 8, and 12. We know 12 plus 8 is 20 plus 2. And we bring down the whole, which is 8. However, this is an improper fraction, so we need to turn it into a proper fraction. How many times does 6 go into 22?
3.
What is 6 times 3?
18.
Okay, so I'm going to add 3 plus our wholes that we already have, our 8 wholes. 3 plus 8 is?
11.
And if we have 18, if we take 18 pieces out of our numerator, we have 22 pieces right now. How many pieces will we have left?
4.
4. And our denominator is the same. So our answer is 11, 4, 6. However, we can simplify because we can divide both 4 and 6 by 2, correct? So 11 and 4 divided by 2 is?
2.
And 6 divided by 2 is?
3.
And that is our answer.
Yay.